What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all had a great holidays and happy new year, guys. This is the first video in a new year. So starting with nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil. So what do we have right here? I'm going to go through all three platforms like Nemex or Wanda, but starting with capital.com. So similar conditions on all three platforms. Price just came back down at the level of previous resistance, which has now turned to be a level of support. So for now, very simple, we are above 50 EMA on 4-hour time frame. All I'll be looking at either a double bottom formation right here from this rejection zone, pull back to it without a candle to close below the previous low. If the candle closed below the previous low, in that case we will turn short-term bearish. But if there's a rejection right here in this rejection box followed by bullish engulfers or a pin bar or a green candle, that will be very aggressive entry. In that case, we'll have a buyer signal and price will likely to push up and start to push up from here again, at least to this recent highs. But my initial targets will be 1 to 2 ATR. So that is what I'll be looking at here on natural gas, but break below this low again will turn bearish for short term, which is something I'm going to update you guys in the upcoming videos. So we are still in an uptrend. As you can see, price is making new higher highs, breaking above the previous high. Pull back, new high, pull back, new high, pull back, new high, and a big pullback, and we might see another high break above the previous high till we get to the next level of major resistance, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming video. So still in an uptrend, but these are the big retracement, not selling as long as we are not broken below these lows in a long term for the complete bearish momentum. We can be short term bearish once we are broken below 50 EMA, not long term. On Nemex, exactly the same. Back in the zone, rejection zone looks something like this. Simply rejection A followed by strong bullish engulfer will be as strong as entry, pin bar or a green candle will be very aggressive entry. So that is what I'll be looking at. I'm not selling as long as we are above 50 EMA and as long as we are above these previous lows. I'm only looking for my buying opportunities with the conditions something like this, which I've just mentioned. Not selling once we are broken below these low, only then we're going to start to sell short term only. If you're someone trading on Wanda, like I personally trade net gas on Wanda, which is something like this, all I'll be looking at condition which I've just mentioned, bullish engulfer 382 candle or a green candle without a candle to close below these lows. If that happens, I'm going to go short. But one more condition I'll be looking at here on this platform. If the price pushes down to 50 EMA, one candle closed below 50 EMA and the second candle closed back above 50 EMA, that will be my buyer signal and that will be a valid pullback entry bullish. So that is something I'll be looking at as well for my buying condition. If that happens, I'm going to go long from here using 1 to 2 ATR for my targets. Next up, we have gold. Gold is broken above the previous highs, which is good, means we are now bullish for gold, getting a bullish cross as well. So simply just buy condition. Just a pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing candle. In that case, I will go long. So just a pullback entry, bullish. Look for the ATR for your stops and target. For now, we have ATR of $10. So once we have a condition, if the ATR is still 10, I will go 1 ATR means $10 for the stop loss and $10 for the take profit. And you can manage it to $15 to get a better reward to risk ratio. For now, we are bullish for gold, only expecting a price to push up, and the next resistance is right up there, which is quite higher, but that is why just look for your conditions like bullish engulfer until the price hit this level to take your counter trend sell trades. For now, not selling as long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA both. Here on silver, if you remember my last video, clearly mentioned that we can expect a possible bounce from here if not closed below these lows. As you can see, the price pushes down, forms a minor double bottom and price starts to push up from here. Now 50 EMA is very important to see. If the price forms a bearish engulfer here, expect a little pullback back to the zone again and you can go short using 1 ATR for the targets and then manage your trades till this previous low. So bearish engulfer, next candle, that will be a sell signal. If there is no bearish engulfer at price close above 50 EMA, then I'll start to look for my buy trades only till the price hit the next level of major resistance. So let's see how the next candle closes. Bearish candle will be a sell signal and if close above, we'll start to look for the buy trades only. Here on crude oil, it's massively pushed up and at the upper level of resistance is 73.11. So for now, very important to see if we have either a double top pattern. If you have a bearish engulfer, look for your entries on 1 hour as well. If you find an entry on 1 hour, that is totally fine, but look ATR for your targets. So bearish engulfer here or double top within this zone will be my sell condition. And if we have a double top, and with the double top we have a divergence in the RSI as well, in that case that would be a strongest entry condition. So let's see how it goes. If there is no condition of price and candle closes above this zone, which is right here, these numbers in blue, in that case I'll just start to look for the pullback entry bullish. It is something I'm still looking for. If there is no condition in price, give us a big retracement above 50 EMA, price forms a bullish in golfer, I'm gonna go long from here. So keep an eye how it goes. So keep an eye, look for a condition. Conditions are very important to sell if we have a condition. If there is no condition, just look for the pullback entry bullish and keep on taking longs. Double top is something I'm also looking at for the possible entries. For buy confirmation, 2 candle must close above this zone, or very strong solid candle must close above to use this zone as a buying level. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.